Hi, I'm Justin Machel, CEO of Highland Ag Solutions. I'd like to introduce to you Highland Ag MarketWatch. If you knew how many finished goods were created today, current market inventory, and average cost of freight by commodity and region, how would that transform your decision making? Today's lack of transparent data in the fresh produce industry has hindered the pursuit of operational excellence in delivering quality fresh produce to consumers. The shortcomings of the current tools used for sourcing and selling highly perishable commodities, coupled with the challenges of a growing global marketplace, have exposed the lack of accurate and timely market business intelligence. There is a need for innovation to drive transformative insights from data that is readily available. At Highland, we realized that need, and over the past 4 years, engaged industry experts and stakeholders to help develop a revolutionary new software platform. Through an innovative, first-of-its-kind market data analytics application, Highland Ag MarketWatch is fostering data transparency and visibility. This patented software platform is built for specialty crop markets with industry-specific business logic that accounts for the complexities of global fruit and vegetable trade. Tools available within Highland Ag MarketWatch allow subscribers to determine near real-time aggregated information about market pricing, inventories, rejection rates, and consignment orders. It enables companies to measure KPIs against market averages in both source origin and destination markets and assist agribusinesses in filling consumer demand. The platform collects, anonymizes, and aggregates subscriber transactional data to power a suite of informational dashboards, putting valuable insights directly at your fingertips. It operates and is available to subscribers 24/7, 365.
Hi, I'm Amy Smith, Sales Manager at Highland Ag Solutions. Highland Ag MarketWatch is a brand new concept. Entire categories are able to excel in producing and pleasing growers and consumers around the globe. So to say, Highland builds tools and meaningful solutions around problems that we see, MarketWatch is a perfect example of that. And so in order to arrive at a true market, we needed this information, and now is the time. Now is the time for all of us to get together and understand more about the markets that we serve. Everything that we've gone to build at Highland comes from a problem. And it's not just one person we hear it from. Time and time again, especially after what we saw last year, everybody was asking, what do you have for freight? Our team excelled in developing a freight rate screen. And so that is a perfect example of when you partner with Highland, you partner with a company who's looking to build tools, and we're not stopping at the final destination. We keep going, we keep striving, we keep building. MarketWatch has insights to do things better. It's a healthy learning process, and the data age is here, and our response to that is our fate.
To learn more about Highland Ag MarketWatch or speak with a team member, please visit highlandhasit.com.